Hello friends, welcome back to Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Friends, today in this video I am going to say something that is not directly related to this channel but is definitely apparently related. I am going to tell you that what you should do and what you should not do in this severe pandemic situation. Yes, friends, COVID-19. Now, friends, first I want to tell you that wake up your consciousness. Yes, we severely lack it. Now, there is a huge crisis of oxygen all over the country, and I have seen people gasping for breath and dying, praying for oxygen, begging for oxygen. Again, if you are unfortunately infected and have to be admitted to a hospital, you don't get beds, and you get a bed in a nursing home, and they are charging at will, and you are drained of your pocket. Again, vaccines, they are far and few. So friends, there's lack of oxygen, there's lack of bed, there's lack of vaccination, thanks to our government. Now friends, what you should do and what you should not do to avoid this situation, so that you take some precautions and do not face these troubles. Now friends, first I want to tell you that do not unnecessarily step out of your home. There are many people, they unnecessarily step out of their home and go to the market every day. They are fond of going to the market every day, and they get involved in tea shop addas, and they interact with people, and you know that these chai walas don't always sanitize their hands, and they come in contact with many people. So this type of things may prove to be very fatal. Then again, when I talk of markets, when you buy vegetables and fruits from the market, please bring them home and use potassium permanganate to disinfect these. This potassium permanganate you can get in medical shops. What you have to do is take a pot of water, a bucket of water, and just drop 2 or 3 pinches of that and soak the vegetables into it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then take them off and wash off. What it does is it kills all the viruses, bacteria, fungus, whatever there is, and moreover the insecticides and the pesticides that the farmers frequently use to protect their crops. So this is a very good thing. You should always wash with potassium permanganate. Now friends, when you interact with people, when you are interacting with 2 or 3 people, just keep a distance of about 2 meters. That is 6.6 feet or 6 to 7 feet. This is very important. You should keep this distance to avoid any infection getting into you. Now friends, avoid any type of gatherings. Avoid attending parties, attending any ceremonies, whatever be, 50 people, 100 people, whatever be. Don't go there. Stay away from those parties and ceremonies. Now friends, sanitizers. What sanitizers you should use and how to use it. Now friends, you should always use sanitizers of some reputed companies. Don't use sanitizers of local companies. Mind you, don't use them. You should use sanitizers of any reputed company with alcohol or ethanol content of 70%. Minimum 70% should be there. Now sanitizers. See, when you are at home, you do not have to use sanitizers. Wash your hands with soap when and as required. Sanitizers you use only when you go out, because frequent use of sanitizers may harm your palms. Now there is good bacteria in these palms that makes the skin smooth and soft, and there's some pinkish tinge to it. Now if you use sanitizers very frequently, that will destroy the bacteria, and that will make your skin dry and flaky, and the skin will come off, and your palms will look white, and you will have a lot of trouble. So when you are at home, do not use sanitizers, just wash your hands with soap as and when required. Now when you go out, what you do? Do you have to carry the whole lot of it? No. What you do is just transfer it, some sanitizer, to a spraying bottle like this, or any ordinary bottle. Now what you have to do, and that you can carry in your bags. If you're going to an office, school, anywhere, you can use this, put it in your bag and go. This is not a luggage, but it will be very helpful to you. It is a friend of yours. What you have to do, how you use the sanitizer? See, I have transferred the sanitizer to a spraying bottle. So just spray it on your palms like this. Just spray it, and then just rub like this. Rub like this with till this point, a part of the front part of your wrist, the palms and the front part of your wrist. Rub like this until it becomes dry. That is, the alcohol evaporates. This way you have to rub it until it is dry. I have seen many people, and you have also seen, that they spray the sanitizer or put some drops of it in their palms, and they just do like this. This is not the way. It doesn't work. You have to rub it like this, taking the front part of this part of your wrist, and then rub it like this until it becomes dry and evaporates. Sanitizers, when you go out, is a must. You should make it a habit. Now friends, I will tell you something about this mask. Now friends, you have to use a 4-layered mask. There should be 4 layers. This mask will consist of 4 layers. Now this COVID strain is very infectious, and the doctors are saying that you have to wear 4 layers mask to protect yourself from and not get infected. Now friends, this mask costs around about 150 to 200 rupees, and you should use it. Otherwise you may use a surgical mask, but then again you have to wear another mask over it. So it's better that you choose a 4-layered mask. Now how you wear it? Now see, these masks have some buttons here. You can make it short or long according to your fittings. If you want a tight fitting or a loose fitting, you will do that. Also they have some strips here, one strip here, which you can expand or contract. This will make like this. It will the air filtration will depend upon this. Now how you wear a mask? When you wear a mask, get hold of this end and then wear it like this, just like this. See, wear it like this. Don't wear the mask touching the middle portion or inside portion. Get hold of the ends of the mask, and then when you take it off, then also you take it off like this. Now friends, I have seen there are a lot of people, numerous people who wear masks like this. What is this? Then again, they wear masks like this. What funny? Why are they using this? This is not the way. They are just inviting trouble for themselves, and not only that, they are infecting other people also. Don't ever do this. Wear this mask properly. Now friends, this habit of wearing masks is very good. You can make it a habit lifetime, because this mask in the future will protect you from pollution. Now a lot of people have pollution in the lung, asthma. Now the reports have come in that because of wearing masks, a lot of the asthma, death in asthma has been affected people asthma affected people have died less. So why you don't make a habit of wearing this mask lifelong, because then again your lungs will be protected and you will get protection from pollution. Now friends, when you wear a mask and go out and come back, you have to wash this mask. These are all washable masks. You have to wash it. And how do you wash it? Soak it in detergent for about 9 minutes. The minimum time is 9 minutes. Soak it for 9 minutes and then rinse and wash off and dry in the sun. The same applies for your clothes also. When you go to the office or bazaar, come back and soak it in soap water for about 9 minutes, minimum 9 minutes. More you can soak it for more time. Minimum 9 minutes, wash, rinse and wash off and then dry it in the sun. Now friends, a few words about vaccines. Now you should take a vaccine, because the vaccine that has come out may not protect you 100%, but it definitely will reduce the intensity of the attack. You will get less infected and have less trouble. Now the second thing, suppose you have taken the first dose of vaccine A and the second dose is due after 45 days. But after 45 days you are not getting the second dose of A, it's not available, but vaccine B is available. Don't ever take vaccine B. If you have taken vaccine A, that may prove very harmful for you. If you have taken the first dose of vaccine A, then you have to take the second dose of vaccine A. That is mandatory. Now, the third thing about vaccine is, suppose when you take a vaccine, you are injected. Now, what happens is some black spot will come out that disappears after a few days. But if that clots appear on other parts of your body also, then please consult a doctor. Secondly, if you after taking the vaccine you may have a mild fever that may persist for 1 or 2 days, but if it persists more than that, you should consult a doctor. Thirdly, after taking vaccine you may have a mild headache for 1 day. If that persists for more, if you have severe headaches, please consult a doctor. Then again you may have a vomiting tendency, but if that persists, then you have to consult a doctor. Please remember these things. Now again, I would like to say that please don't treat yourself by yourself. If you have some fever or some diarrhea, don't start taking medicines by yourself. You should consult a doctor and then go in for any treatment. Now friends, finally, if you have to enhance your immune system, that is, you have to boost up your immunity. For that, what you have to do is you have to take food that is rich in vitamins and proteins. Vitamins C, D and zinc. These three are very effective in enhancing your immunity. And lastly, I would say that every day spend about 15 to 20 minutes in freehand exercises. That again will build up your body resistance. So friends, I have told you something that may help you know what you should do and what you should not do in this severe and terrifying and horrifying situation. If you think that it has helped you, then please share this video with others so that they can also benefit from this. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me and keep watching my videos. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.